Hello guys, welcome back to Global SMC Forex Trading. Welcome back to Global SMC Forex. So on this video, I'm going to do a top-down analysis of what I'm anticipating to happen this week to this pairs. So I have chosen to do three pairs like Euro USD, Euro GPY, and BTC USD. So I'm going to be doing an analysis for these pairs. So I hope you're going to pay more attention, right? Okay, so let me remove this and go to the daily time frame, right? So I think let's start from the daily time frame, since we have some swing traders that we might have. So what are we seeing now, or what are we anticipating, depending with the time frame or the type of trader that you are. So here we are on the daily time frame. This one is a daily, this one is a daily time frame, so that you won't get confused. So what are we saying now on the daily time frame? Using our strategy that you always use, right? You can see that since, right, the market was making a downtrend, right, or a bearish order flow. How do we see it? We can see with these low highs which are being formed as the market is towards, or is going toward, the bearish movement. But you're going to see that before it made this last low, it came and broke the last low, which was here. It broke the last low, which was here. But you can actually see that the main low of this whole impulsive move was this one. So maybe we were anticipating that if the trade maybe comes here, it was going to go down, or to change the direction and continue is is bearish move. So in some cases it may do that, like maybe it can grab some liquidity here and maybe continues down to the other side, or maybe if it doesn't do that, right, it comes and grabs some liquidity and it comes and form a new market structure before it anticipates, or before it goes to the actual direction, right? So for this analysis, I think if you anticipate like these two things to happen, you might be in a safe position. But me, what I always encourage people to do, especially when you're doing your analysis, go with the trend, right? Where is the trend going? The trend is going on on a bullish trend, so you just have to follow that. So let me scale down to at least like 1 hour time frame, so that we hope some people really want to get themselves into the trade. So which time frame are we now? We are on hourly. This is now 1 hour. This is now 1 hour time frame that you are on, right? So as we always talk about, guys, you can see that this was the higher lows and the high highs that you were making. So what do we do now on this leg that you are seeing now? So what I'm anticipating here is that, as I'm seeing this move, I want you guys to see this. Right? Yeah, we know that the main move that caused that whole impulsive move is this one, or this whole supply, or you can just refine it to this one, right? So let's go to the actual market action, or the market price action that is currently happening. So what's currently happening, you can see that as the market is making those moves, you can see here we have our supply zone which is being respected, right? We have our supply zone which is being respected. So for the meantime, as of me, I would anticipate that the market, this is now the actual analysis that I'm showing you now. So what I would anticipate now is that the price is coming to tap this zone, right? Maybe forms another structure, forming a bullish trend. You see, forming a bearish trend in such a way that if it forms this bearish trend, right, it's going to form something like this, maybe before it decides to go to this zone, maybe before it decides to go to this zone. So as the price is going to that zone, you'll be entering the supplies that you see. Maybe if it comes to this zone, that's when it maybe decides to continue with its trend. This is something that you can also even assume. this is what you call creating a story for yourself. You have to create a story for yourself so that you actually know what's really happening. But for the sake of educational purposes, I think if you just keep yourself now, for the meantime, you just have to keep yourself now on this range, right? And you'll be targeting these lows and these lows, right? This first low and this second low. Just assume that the market is going to what? To grab this. If it grabs this, there's higher potential or the higher probability of it to what? To go down again. So for the meantime, this is what is happening. In case the market, right, comes back like this, maybe it comes back and forms a structure like this, it forms another structure, it confirms. This is when you start to even involve yourself. As the market is going up like this, you can even involve yourself as it's going up. As it's going up, you see, as it's going up, you can even also involve yourself as it's going up, so that you don't limit yourself to just wait for this position, because this position might be respected, then it comes, maybe you enter this trade, then it comes halfway before it comes back and taps or grabs you, then you'll be like, no, the zone that he told us is not respecting. But no, that's not the concept. Be involved everywhere the market makes any structure, you have to be involved, right? So for the meantime, this is the analysis that I can give on euro USD. This is something that I'm anticipating, right? So you just have to wait and see what's going to happen here. So another pair that I'm going to look onto is what euro. Okay, euro GPY. Okay, Mr. Euro GPY, how are you? So this one I'll go on daily time frame, right? The same thing that you did here. You want to know what's really happening on the large time frame. So you can see that since I think from March up to now, you can see that the Euro GPY is not in a long trend or in an uptrend, right? Which is a sign that that should tell you that whenever you are getting into trades, right, when you are having the buying positions, you have to hold them, because they have high chances of what getting better results. So what you do, if you are a swing trader, I will suggest for you to just follow this market structure. As you can see, we're just making highs and lows here. The same concept that you always talk about. These are the highs and lows which are being formed. So we are anticipating that the price should what? Continue itself going to the actual direction. So as of me, I would say the market for the meantime, it seems as if it want to come and respect this one. I can see from the mitigation concept, the market came and respected this zone, right? Okay, let me zoom in so that you people who are seeing can actually see what I'm talking about. If you follow the mitigation, you can see that the price just came and tapped this. So maybe probably it might go what the continuous direction. But what would you do now? I would scale out to 1 hour, right? Let's go to 1 hour so that we can view our leg or our market structure very clear, so that we don't just assume what you don't know. So what are we saying now? So for the meantime, if it's me who is having this analysis, right, you can see that here we have two information, right? This is the actual this one is the actual supply which the market made, but we can refine it to this zone, right? So what are we saying now? Maybe we are saying the market is just wants to make this move, right? You can see maybe the market just wants to make this move, and before it goes down like this, right? So as the market is making all those moves, you can see from here, you can involve yourself here, you can even involve yourself here, maybe where here going up. If you really want to involve yourself, or you want to wait for the main zone, but really I always say these zones are meant to fail. Don't say if I draw a zone then you think that it's going to be respected. No, zones are going to fail, but the way how you trade or your risk management, the way how you manage your trades, you risk manage, you target them, is what makes you profitable. I always say this, right? So what am I saying now? Let's just assume that the market is going to that zone. So what do we do now? We come back again here. So for me to be actually professional, or to actually show you what's really happening, let me do it like this. As of me, what I would say from this market, highs, this progression, okay, this one is our leg, okay. For me, what I would say, what I'm seeing, which is happening for the meantime, guys, you can create this chart, right? This one is what? As always talk about, this one is what? Our supply zone, right? Then let's target this one, right? Let's target this low. This is what I'm anticipating, right? So we are anticipating that the market should come to this zone, right? In case it doesn't come to that zone, right, anticipate that if it comes back and break the structure and comes and form another new structure, that's when you start what? To involve yourself as the market is going up again. And you see now, guys, so if it does that, or if it changes direction, that's when you start to even involve yourself as the market is going everywhere that you want it to go. But for the meantime, this is what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating the market to come down, right? So if the market comes down and break this zone, we anticipate again another moves, so that we can involve ourselves as the market is going down again. You see, just using the same strategy. This is how the market moves every time frame. The market move fractal, right? So this is what I'm anticipating here or not. Euro GPY for this particular time frame, right? So let's go now to the last one, or the last of our video, which is what do you call it? Mr. Bitcoin, the one which is stressing people. People are investing in Bitcoin and are making some investment, and the Bitcoin is dropping, as we can see, but it should not affect us as forex traders, because we are the best forex traders. So just know your analysis. So what we are saying, what are we saying now? You can see that since, you see, this is just simple market structure. Since years and years, or from November, which is what, last year up to now, the market is still on a downtrend. So which means whenever you're trading bearish, you're going to get more income, or more source of income if you're a daily trader, right, or a swing trader. So we are saying this one is our last supply zone, right? This one is our last supply zone. So probably the market, if it wants, it can come back to what? To this zone, right? Maybe, and what? And start to target the lows. You understand? And start to target the lows. As always say, you can still even involve yourself as the market is going to what? To those zones, or you can even use this one, the full one, or you can refine it to the last zone, so that maybe the market might come and mitigate your last zone before you involve yourself. But since the bearish pressure is too much, there's no reason that the market should come up. No, it can even continue to go down like the way it's doing. So for us to actually have a clear information, we go to hourly or to 1 hour time frame, so that we don't wait for those moves, because I think it can even take like a month for it to go back to that position. So from this market structure, what would I say? We just follow the same strategy. As of me, I can see that the market left its supply here. So probably the market should come here. When the market comes here, right, you use your entry strategy that you know, then you target another next low, and there are chances that the market can even come, right, and even break it and start to form new structures going up, you understand. But your duty as your forex trader is something that you always talk about, is to manage your trades as the trades are going to your desired direction, you understand. So you're going to see that you can be involved in many positions. Don't be greedy, or don't wait for the one zone the whole day, waiting for this zone to come. Then you place your 20 lots or your 50 lots on one single trade, then you end up blowing the account, which is not something that really shows that you're a professional trader. So guys, I just did these 3 analysis for you guys. If you really want to know more, you can even rewind the video and start to even see again the market analysis that you're doing between of the 3 pairs. So today we did BTC USD, we're doing BTC USD, Euro USD, and Euro JPY. These were the analysis, or the top-down analysis for this week that we are doing on what BTC USD. So you're just going to see that it just depends with the time frame trader that you are. If you are a 5-minute trader, you can even scale down to 5 minutes, and you can even involve yourself with many trades on that particular time frame. So you will be surprised. Some people will be saying sell, and some will be saying buy, and they'll be like, what's happening? Me, I'm selling and someone saying buy. Don't be worried about that. It's a system, or is someone's analysis. Just do your own analysis using the strategy that you always talk about, right? So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for entertaining me, or thank you for your courage to actually listen to everything that I was saying. If you want to know more, there's a link that I'm going to provide below, which have information about our website and the community. We have a community of traders that are also help us to actually grow and share information. So if you want to join, you can also even find the link below. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.